Good morning, students. Today we will see new exercise, that is 3M fractions. Okay, how to multiply the given numbers. You know the multiplication how to do. See, product of fractions how to do means product of how to multiply the given fractions means what you have to do, that is nothing but the product of fractions only. You have to do the product of numerators and product of denominators. Okay, just you have to club the two fractions with the multiplication symbol. See, some problems are there. So 7 by 18 into 9 by 14. What we have learned according to this formula, product of fractions equal to product of numerators, product of denominators. So I am writing product of numerators whole divided by product of denominators. Product of denominators. Now see, any cancellation, if any cancellation you can do here, you can do that one. You can cancel that one. Any table you can use here. See, directly I can use here 7th table and 9th table. See, 7 one time, 7 two times, 9 one time, 9 two times. Here remaining terms write down 1 into 1. We have cancelled now 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 2. So what is your answer? 1 by 4. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Like that you have to do the product of fractions. Now see the second one. Here they have given one mixed fraction and one normal fraction they have given. So 2 1 by 5. How to convert the mixed fractions? I have explained in the previous class, right? How to convert the mixed fractions? Just you have to multiply with the denominator, the exact number whatever you have here now, that you have to multiply with the denominator, and then you have to do the addition with the numerator. So what is this one? 25. With the 25 multiply the exact number, and then you have to add plus 1, that is numerator. So that is whole divided by 25. In the denominator as it is you have to write, only you have to change the numerator. You have to do some calculation to get this numerator here, and the remaining things first write down as it is. After solving this numerator, we will do the product of fractions here. Now see, 25 into 2 will be 50. 50 plus 1 as it is divided by 25 into 5 by 17. Okay. Now see, 50 plus 1 will become 51 by 25 into 5 by 17. Okay. So you have to do product of numerators and product of denominators. Now look for cancellation. Any number you can cancel here with any table. Check here. So observe this one, 5 table. With 5 table you can cancel this 25. 5 one time, 5 5 times. Now observe the 17 table. Remember 17 table once. 17 one time, 17 3 times. So what you get here remaining? 3 into 1 divided by 5 into 1. What you get here? 3 into 1 is 3 and divided by 5. That is your answer. You got it? Good. 1 by 4, 7 by 58 into 1, 11 by 21. Here also we have some mixed fractions. We have to convert these mixed fractions into normal fractions first, and then we will do the calculation. Okay. So see, so how to convert this one? Here you have to do multiplication, here you have to do addition. So multiply and then add. Here also you have to multiply and here you have to add here. Now do this one, 7. So 4 into 7 plus 1 you have to do, divided by 4 into as it is. And the next number, that is a normal fraction only, so write it. And after that convert the mixed fraction into that improper fraction. So now see, 21 into 1 plus 11 by 21. Okay. Now we have converted all mixed fractions into normal fractions. So 28 plus 1 by 4. Multiply 4 into 7. 28 plus 1 by 4 into 7 by 58 into 21 plus 11 by 21. So now what you have to do? 28 plus 1 will be 29 by 4 into 7 by 58 into 21 plus 11 will be 32. 32 by 21. Now we have to do the product of these fractions here. How to do this product of fractions? just you have to multiply all the numerators. So you have to do the product of numerators and product of denominators. So write down product of numerators here, into 7 into 32 divided by 4 into 58 into 21. Now do the cancellation. If anyone, you can cancel here, see. So 21 one time, 21 two times. See, 29 into 2. 18, 2 2s 4 plus 8. 58 you got na? This one. Or you can go with the next any numbers also. But 29 you will not get in any in any table. So directly you have to do. See, 7 one time, 7 3 times. And here with the 4, 4 one time, 4 8 times. Now see, observe this here, 2 one time. You can also cancel this one, 2 4 8. So the remaining here, 1 into 4 divided by 1 into 3. So what you get here, 4 by 3. That is your final answer. Carefully if you do this one, now you can understand well. Okay? Good. Now done. Here is next problem, that is 9th one, 1 by 19 into 91 into 5, 11 by 3 we have. Okay. So here, this is also, here also we have one mixed fraction. So we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then we will do the product of fractions here. So first, remaining whatever you have, write down. Okay. Next, the last one you have mixed fraction, now convert this one. How to convert this one? Here you have to multiply and here you have to add. 13 into 5 plus 11 divided by 13. Denominator you have to write as it is. Only the change will come in the numerator only. Now do 13 into 5. So remaining write as it is. 65 plus 11 by 13. Now 1 by 19, remaining as it is, write down. 65 plus 11 will be 76 divided by 13. Product of fractions. So 1. So first, this is the numerator only, nothing is there in the denominator, means in the denominator you have 1 only. So do the product of numerators first. 1 into 91 into 76 divided by product of denominators. 19 into 1 into 13. Now observe the 13 table, 13 one time, 13 7 times. Okay, 19 once, 19 4 times. Now any you can do here? No, you can't do anything. Furthermore, you can't do. Now see, 1 into 7 into 4. The remaining terms. The one I have not cancelled, 91 I have cancelled with the 13 table, that is 7 times, and with the 19 table I have done here 4. So remaining here nothing in the denominator, only once only you have. Now see, 7 4s 28 divided by 1. So your answer is 28. Okay. So in this way you have to do the products of the given fractions. Okay. Good. Now done.